Hi, hello, namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. So how's my children doing? All good? Today I have come up with some great news which I cannot wait to share with you all. So in this channel we are starting with a foundation series which is like really it will be really helpful for you. So what exactly is this foundation series? What is foundation? So this session will be, I'll be only telling you about why this is important and what you have to do. That's it. Okay. So foundation, you know, right? Even when people are constructing a building, they say foundation is like really important. Everything, everywhere, foundation is important. Foundation is important in education, right? Good basics is everything. No, you might have heard that. So here also what we thought. So why you want to start preparing for JEE and NEET when you enter class 11? Why not from today? Right? So foundation is like really important. So you don't feel what is happening around me, everything is new. No, you will be ready. You will be ready. You will know what kind of questions will be thrown at you, and you will even know how to answer them. So this series is very important. I cannot stress enough on this. What you have to do is simple. Watch the sessions, do the homework, and complete the assignments which I give. That's it. What I'll be doing before that, why from today? Why can't we wait till you enter grade 11? Let us have a look at the syllabus, then you will only realize why it is important, or how you can start preparing for the competitive exams, not only for JEE and NEET. Whatever the topics we are covering, it will be helpful even for the competitive exams like NTSC also. So many advantages, so many benefits, right? So in class 9, so you will be basically studying about the matter, its nature of matter, structure of atoms, the particle, their nature, right? So class 10 mein you'll be studying about the chemical reactions, equations, acid, bases and salts, metals, non-metals, carbon compounds, periodic classification of elements. This is your syllabus. I know, I'm very sure you are aware of it. Now let us have a look at the syllabus of class 11. Some basic concepts of chemistry. Can you see nature of matter, properties, structure of atom, even in 9th? Then classification of elements and periodicity in properties, chemical bonding, redox reactions, chemical reactions mean, Then organic chemistry, basically the tetravalent nature of carbon, why it forms covalent bond, then nomenclature. You have, these are the common topics in your class and the class 11 syllabus. So this foundation will be like a bridge between your grade and the 11th, and not only that, we will start preparing you for the JEE, NEET and whatever the competitive exams you want to take. Nice, right? So this series will be starting from Tuesday. As I told you, there will be very good lectures and we will be solving the previous year questions. We'll have quizzes, lots of quizzes, so that you won't feel what is this when you enter class 11, or you will have so much confidence when you want to take these competitive exams. That's the only reason we have come up with this foundation series. I really hope, and I know it will be very helpful for you all. All you have to do is watch the videos and complete the homework which I give. That's it. And there are few books you can refer that I'll be telling you in my next video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I really wish you will get to learn a lot from this new series which we have come up with. Till now, it was Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. Bye-bye. Thank you. Wait. I forgot the most important part. Yes. So you might be having a lot of doubts and questions regarding the series or the JEE, NEET, competitive exams. So whatever it is, please let me know in the comment section, and in our next video I'll answer all of your questions. Okay? Yes. This time I'm really leaving. Bye bye. Thank you.